Welcome to my channel Hill's Prescription Diet Gastrointestinal Biome Dog Food. Support your dog's digestive health with Hill's Prescription Diet Gastrointestinal Biome Digestive/Fiber Care with Chicken Dry Dog Food. Specially formulated by Hill's expert team of veterinarians and nutritionists. This high-fiber, veterinary-exclusive formula is designed to address and support your dog's gastrointestinal health, helping to promote regular bowel movements and maintain a balanced digestive system. Clinically shown to help firm loose stools in just 24 hours, this premium dry dog food features Hill's proprietary ActiveBiome Plus technology, a breakthrough blend of prebiotic fibers that works rapidly to nourish and activate the beneficial bacteria in your dog's gut. This promotes a healthier GI microbiome balance, which is key to long-term digestive wellness and can help reduce the risk of recurring digestive issues. With its unique fiber blend, Hill's gastrointestinal biome helps regulate bowel movements and improve stool quality, making it an ideal choice for dogs experiencing digestive distress. Enhanced with high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, including DHA and EPA, this formula also supports overall well-being, including a healthy immune system and reduced inflammation in the GI tract. More than just a digestive solution, this food contributes to urinary health by promoting an environment that helps reduce the risk of struvite and calcium oxalate crystal formation. Made in the USA with trusted, globally sourced ingredients, it's a product you can feel confident feeding to your dog every day. Hill's Prescription Diet is the #1 U.S. vet-recommended therapeutic pet food, and gastrointestinal biome is a testament to that trusted reputation. Always consult with your veterinarian to determine if this formula is the right choice for your pet's unique needs. Choose Hill's Prescription Diet Gastrointestinal Biome Dry Dog Food to help your dog enjoy a happy, active life with a healthy digestive system. Because a healthy gut means a happier pup. Thanks for watching this video.